Hello YouTube, it's 2011 on the 4th of July, and I'm so happy to be here right now. I'll give you introduction to some of one of the $49 firework pack. Okay, so first we have the mini artillery shell. Looks like this. It's got let's see, it's got this one mini artillery shell thing, if you can see that. Oh, while you're watching this video, please put it in full screen. I don't mean it like to threaten you or anything, just so you can see it a little better. So those are some of the fireworks that it is. Yeah, okay. The next one we have is, oh, this is a good one. The Hot Zone. I really like this one. It's pretty good. I like it a lot. It has 8 shots. And they turn out to look like this right here. It looks better when you actually do it. Yeah, so this one's pretty good. Let me go get the next one. The next one is one that I like. It is this, it's called a night shell. Looks like this. And here, let's see if it shows what it looks like. No, it doesn't, but when it goes up, explodes green, red, and blue. It'll look way awesome. So if you get this $49 pack, you'll see all of that. Okay, let me get you your next one. Our next one is called a Freedom. Well, when I got this, my dad, he bought 10 Freedoms. I got this shirt. Like it. Well, my grandma also got me a shirt exactly like it. Yeah. Okay, so and it turns out to look kind of like this, but you know how when you launch a firework, like one of the small ones in the air and it goes like all over the place and you don't see where it's shooting up from? Yeah, that's what it's like. So I really like it. Here's our next one. Our next one is, it's called the Blazing Skies. Oh, I can't get it. Oh yeah. Yeah, I can't really get it. But another one is the Saturn missile battery, 25 shots. Turns out to, well, it's a whistle. When it shoots up, it goes shoo, shoo, shoo. Yeah, so that's what it sounds like. Okay, our next one. Well, I won't really be able to bring the next one. Here are some of the other ones, and the rest have already been shot in. Yeah, if you get your $49 pack, you'll find out the rest. Plus, the buy one get one free. So you can buy one get one free. So if you watch this video today, hurry, go to the fireworks stands and get this. It'll be worth it. And if you're on a $60 budget, get it. It's awesome. And then you have $10 left over to get something else. Well, that's all for today, folks. And if you subscribe, I'll make sure to send you your free 4th of July firework pack link. So you just gotta put in your emails in a message. I'll get it. Yeah. And you have a chance to win Yeah. So, good firework pack. Thanks for watching today. See you some other time, YouTube.